Drive it like you just drove there, so it's warranty to get out your door.
Ah, so it's gone now. So we get 3-year warranty with it, but if it's for racing there's no warranty. So they said if we drive it like we just did, the warranty ends as soon as we go out the door. Hello mate, I've been waiting for you. Right.
That wheel on the other side's like off.
I'm gonna turn it into a drift car, so I'm not really that like bothered about it. But obviously I'll need it. Yeah, if I'm getting a wide angle kit anyways, it might be the first upgrade. I want to make sure that it drives and runs before I start spending any money on it. Nah, I don't know much about these, but well, someone's looked after it. It's got Bridgestone tyres on. Look, it's even got like the cool audio system on it. while I'm putting it sideways. Oh, TikTok, yeah! Memory seats and all that. They'll be worth a few quid then. Oh, it's got drilled discs. I don't know if that's savable, like. Yeah.
What engine?
That's a good start, yeah.
A little bit of anything, yeah.
That's at least up its worries at the moment, I think. That was probably an indicator at one point. Nah, it's a BMW, the indicators don't work on them anyways. Oh, it's got baby seat. Fucking hell, I can take my daughter drifting straight away.
Try that?
Nothing.
No, see if it'll release the boot.
I think it's blowing a oh, how could have they had it started on the photos? So I'm assuming. Nah.
No.
No.
Get the other booster as well.
The good thing is it's half tank petrol.
Oh, no.
Oh look, this is Alcantara with BMW stitching. Fucking hell. This is that's a little Alcantara thing on there. Someone's just done bits on it. What the fuck's happened to that? Why is that hanging up? See the pillar? Oh, the good person's even left a locking wheel nut.
No, thank God.
First spin. Oh, nice. What the fuck? I was just starting. That's it. What do you reckon, it dies as soon as you take the jumper pack off?
Yeah, it'll be alright in like a minute or something.
Think it needs a bit of charge. Wow. The good news was it starts. Yeah. Yep. Happy? Not yet.
Not yet.
I'll probably not start again with it. Oh yeah. Should I maybe put more on just so that doesn't drive on the floor? That's it. Up in the air as well.
Don't think we're supposed to do that.
Yeah, I don't think so.
And you get it, you throw it wherever you want it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Oh, for that.
Even you open up the screw here. Oh shit.
I think. Oh, just a little bit more forward. We'll just put it on there. Oh,
Yeah, it's going to fall off. It'll probably still drag like, other than that. It's done.
So what do you think?
so what do we do with it now? Well, first of all, I think we'll need to get the battery out, get it charged. I think that wheel will be all right.
Nah, that's definitely gonna have a crack somewhere.
Think?
100%.
A good tyre if it wasn't for that. Plenty of thread left.
Yeah. Anything in there? Whoa!
This door's probably been resprayed. You know why? Because they've sprayed the lock.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
I'd keep your windows like that though. I wouldn't tint them.
No, I don't think I will tint them. Because if we strip the interior out, and if we put like a roll cage and stuff in, I want it to like show. You know what I mean? But are we gonna do that?
Maybe. If you can actually fix it first,
Yeah, well,
so it drives in a straight line.
the good thing is it actually runs.
For a little bit.
Well, it does drive as well,
Yeah.
apart from that wheel. Oh. That must be the aircon or something. You can see a plug snapped off from there. Ah, we're not gonna have aircon working.
Oh.
I'll put a complaint in.
Yeah.
Well, it's a good start. Good start. To end the first video then.